everybody has a very important role. And the aircraft carrier is a great example of that. It is a true team sport from the lowest level all the way up to the aircraft that go forward and conduct combat operations and presence. Every sailor on board this ship, regardless of what command or unit that they belong to, has worked hard over the last several weeks and months to refine their warfighting skill set, such that when we go on deployment here in the not too distant future, we will be ready for combat operations if and when called upon to do so.
I see our mission as providing unmatched combat power for the Carrier Strike Group and Joint Force, with the key being that combat power is provided by a resilient combat team that is the best trained in the world.